Okay, hi guys, thanks for joining us. Thursday the 3rd of February 2022, and we're at it again with our third day on this job. We should have had it done in one, but because the temperatures have been 33 to 37 degrees Celsius in the shade, of course out here in the sun it's a bit hotter, and the humidity levels here the last 3 days vary from 50 to 75%. And well, we got 100% yesterday. It was a rain in the afternoon, but yeah, it's been difficult. And we have a white slab. This is a white concrete slab for the driveway, so it radiates a lot of heat too. That's why I have a hose running, try and cool it down. Luckily we've got an overcast day, otherwise it'd be pretty much unbearable here like it was yesterday and the day before. That's why we're going so slow. It's when that steel hits a temperature that you need gloves to even touch it, it makes it hard to work with. And normally we get all 3 beams done in a day on a normal day, but yeah, we're flat out getting 1 beam a day because of the heat. Just knocks you around. Like, once it hits 40 degrees, yeah, it's really baking. But we're getting there. 3 days of work and we've got it done. And as I said on the last video, if you've seen that, if you haven't, why we've got this hanging from the top, what we have is that on the original plan there's supposed to be a post straight down there. Now if you put a post there, you can't get through between the fence of the house. You just can't, you know, unless you're skinny, you just can't do it. But you can't get any wheel